Welcome to the Teacher's Guide to Best Tiered Math Instruction. This video will focus on first grade NSO 1.2, which is the benchmark that allows students to read and write numbers from 0 to 100 in standard form, expanded form, and word form. It is important to note that within this benchmark, the expectation is for students to only read the word form of numbers and not write them. Provide students with a chart that allows them to flexibly flow through the different forms of numbers. We first start by modeling numbers using base 10 blocks, while also providing word cards to label the place values. Adding digit cards also reinforces the numbers and takes the pressure off of writing the numbers as students explain and walk through their thinking. In expanded form, we're looking for the value that each number has. So by using values on cards or stickers or Post-its, allows the students to place choices when they think they know the answer. Here I've given students the word form to read through. Word form connects great to expanded form first because we often say that you write it how you say it. Then representing it with base 10 blocks allows them to find the digits that they would need to make the standard form. When we get into the teen numbers, this is often sometimes where students would struggle with word form because in other languages, they use the representation of 10 plus whatever is in the ones. So by having students build it with 17 ones, then we traded it in for a tens rod. Once students are past the base 10 phase, we can also use place value discs to represent numbers. This is a great connection to dimes and pennies, and again reinforces each of the different forms of numbers. Another great connection to real world is to grab some dimes and pennies and have them build it in the model form. I've also written the connection that tens represents their dimes and their ones place would be represented by pennies.